Hello homeschoolers! Welcome to Homeschooling V and Z. Now for today's video, maiiba naman tayo. So i-share ko naman sa inyo ano ba yung mga bagay na hindi ko ginagawa bilang isang homeschool mom. Ayan. So confessions tayo today. First thing na hindi namin ginagawa sa bahay bilang ako mismo bilang isang homeschool mom, ay hindi namin dinadala ang school sa aming bahay. Ayan. So, hindi namin nire-replicate yung school sa bahay. We don't have a schedule na katulad ng sa school na kunyari 7 to 8 a.m. MAPE, 8 a.m. to 9, math, ganyan. So, for our family kasi mas fluid kami, mas flexible kami. This year, sinusunod ko yung schedule nung isa naming anak na nasa traditional school na. So, he was homeschooled from birth hanggang grade 6. Ginagaya namin yung schedule na kung ano yung subject niya for that day. Ganun din ginagawa namin subject for the younger kids na naka-homeschool. Unfortunately, sustain lang namin siya for the first quarter and the second quarter. And then eventually, third quarter, fourth quarter, hindi na. Kasi we are more flexible na ngayon. So, mas nakikita namin na mas nag-work para dun sa dalawang bata na mas flexible ang schedule. Kasi there will be times na the child will want more lessons for a particular subject. So, hindi na namin nasusunod yung schedule na for this day, ito lang, subject to science lang, or for this day, Filipino lang. So, yun. So, we don't follow or we don't have a very strict schedule. Another thing that we don't do, or I don't do as a homeschool mom, is hindi ko nare-record lahat. I don't record everything. So that would mean hindi ako nagvi-video, hindi ako nagpi-picture, hindi ako nagti-take down ng score ng bata for everything that we do. Okay, so we don't record everything kasi we have discussions, we have lessons, kahit nagdi-dinner lang kami, kumakain kami. In fact, mga 3 nights ago, nagtanong yung bunso namin about taxation. Okay? About taxation. So, we discussed about taxation habang nakahiga kami sa kama bago matulog. Ayan. So, we don't record everything. Kung a-attend man sila ng mga activities or online, mapa-online man or face-to-face, hindi ako naghahabol ng certificate. Kung magbibigay, okay, good. If not, okay lang, karinin lang. So, ganun. Hindi ko record lahat. Hindi siya nadidikta ng lahat ng ginagawa na may certain ginawa si Bagets is okay, score. Hindi, no, we don't record everything. Another thing na hindi namin ginagawa, hindi ko ginagawa bilang homeschool mom, ay wala kaming morning basket. Ayan. So, mga hindi pa nakakalimutan yung morning basket, ito yung discussion na ginagawa nyo as a family in the morning, na meron kayong particular books na mag-read aloud, or meron kayong Bible study na ginagawa nyo everyday. Wala kami nun. Nung mga younger pa yung mga anak namin, meron silang parang daily folder. But in reality, hindi talaga siya nagagamit on a daily basis. Okay? So, meron lang mga araw na gusto nilang gawin yun. Meron mga araw na ayaw nila. Madalas, ayaw talaga nila. Alright? And then, before, meron kaming flag ceremony. Naririnig kasi dito sa amin yung flag ceremony ng barangay. So, naririnig mo yung lupang hinirang. Sinasabayan namin yun noon. Pero no, hindi na namin siya naririnig. So, hindi na kami nag-flag ceremony. Yan, okay? So, wala kaming flag ceremony, wala kaming morning basket, wala kaming routine na ginagawa in the morning, which is, sa ibang homeschoolers, they have their own routines. But for our family, it just doesn't work, alright? So, tingnan natin in the next school years kung meron pa kami magiging routine for our morning routine. Pero for now, we don't have any. Stop muna tayo sa video. Let me just clarify that homeschooling is very personal. Okay, so it really depends on your family. Kung ano yung mag-work sa inyo, kung anong klaseng schedule, anong klaseng pamamaraan, depende sa dynamics ng family nyo, what will work for you and what will make you happy. Okay, so there's no one thing that fits all when it comes to homeschooling. So just a reminder, keep doing what is best for your family, keep doing what makes you happy, okay, and continue homeschooling. Now, let's go back to our video. Nako. Isa pa, ito pa. isa bagay na hindi namin ginagawa sa homeschool ay nature walks. Ayan. I know some families have nature walks on a weekly basis or twice a month or once a month. Kami, wala kaming ganun. If the kids want to go out and tingnan yung mga halaman or mga insekto or what, it's really up to them. Kung meron silang interest, sige, go. Pero we don't have a scheduled nature walk para sa family namin. It really depends on the kids. We also do not do co-ops. Ayan. So, we don't have cooperatives. Although we have homeschool groups na online, may GC, ganito, but hindi kami nag-join ng yung mga weekly meetups or once a month or twice a month meetups, mapa-personal man yan or mapa-online. Kasi hindi siya swak sa schedule namin. When the kids were younger, pre-pandemic, we have a group, parang once or twice lang kami nagkikita sa isang buong taon. Primarily because of schedule. Ayan. Kasi una, yung mga mommies na kasama ko rin, walang mga yaya. So, we have to do home management. Tapos yung iba nag-work, like me rin, may part-time work. And then, the kids were so young pa. I have a baby, I have a toddler. So, isa siyang challenge yung lalabas ka na kasama sila. Now, after pandemic, hindi pa rin kami nagko-co-ops, hindi pa rin. Bira kaming lumabas talaga ng regular with other homeschoolers. And that is okay kasi medyo magastos na rin talaga lumabas kasi hindi, when you go out, pakakainin mo, merong magsasakay ka ng mamamasahe ka. Maraming kailangan gawin. Ayan. But essentially, ang pinaka-reason ko talaga why we don't do co-ops is schedule. Yun. Kasi ang hirap for magdala ng bata, lalo if you're going, merong schedule niya, field trip. Ayan. Example na lang, field trip. Kailangan ang meetup is 8 a.m. Ayun ang 8 a.m. na field trip, hindi namin minsan nagagawa. Kasi ang hirap mag-schedule ng mga bata na minsan moody, minsan the night before hindi nakatulog, ganyan. That's why we homeschool, diba? To be flexible. And I don't want to commit to any groups na merong meetups on a regular basis. Ayan. Kaya we don't do co-ops, but yes, we join or we have homeschool friends online and offline. So that's it. Those are the things that I don't do as a homeschool mom. And kung meron pa kayong question about homeschooling, just let me know in the comment box sa baba. And we will try to answer them in our next video. Okay, so thank you again for watching and happy homeschooling!